Assalamu alaikum, Imam Asif. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How are you?
Good. Today we're going to talk about Laylatul Qadr. So I'm going to give you two top questions right off the bat that kind of relate to each other. So the first is the commonly asked question, Imam Asif, how do I look for Laylatul Qadr? Are there signs? Are there hadith? What kind of different things am I supposed to be looking for? But then the second part of that question is, how come so many people say that the 27th night is Laylatul Qadr?
Yeah, so let's start with first the reminder from Surah Al-Qadr itself that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Laylatul Qadri khayrum min alfi shahr. This night, Laylatul Qadr, night of power, night of destiny, is better than 1,000 months in terms of ibadat. So if you get this one night, you are good to go. You will get automatically so many good deeds. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us or enable us to get Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. Ameen Ya Rab. Secondly, about the indication which Sahabas used to have, Laylatul Qadr may be seen with an eye for the one who Allah helps to see it. There are few signs which Sahabas narrate in few different narrations, and they used to recognize it by the signs. But remember this, that not seeing those signs does not mean that one will not gain its reward. So there are different narrations. Some of them are subjective, some of them are weak, some of them are sahih. So I'm not going into those details, but there are a few signs which you will going to find in different books, but that will vary from different strength or weakness to the sahih hadith, and then even eventually some of them are subjective. About the special appearance of the sun and the cloud, that is all subjective because we are in different regions. But at the end of the day, you have to focus on spirituality, and even you will get reward if you don't see for these signs. That's important for us. Second thing for us, as you ask about why people give so much attention to the night of 27th, is because we have to seek this night of destiny, Laylatul Qadr, in one of the odd nights in the last 10 nights, so 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, 29th. And now because of the blessing of the moon fighting, not moon sighting, I would say that just pay attention to the last 10 nights, because it can be either one of those. So that's why last 10 nights are important, because one of them have Laylatul Qadr. Why people give attention to 27? Because there is some reports, there are some reports basically, even though they are conflicting, but which gives more emphasis on 27th, but there is no consensus. Similarly, there are some reports which talk about 29th or 25th or 21st or 23rd, but there are little more reports when it comes to 27th. So that's why there is that discussion that it might be 27th. But as a Muslim who is trying to seek the treasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should actually aim for the last 10 nights completely, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah, we'll all be able to find Laylatul Qadr, and hopefully we are starting to look for it in a couple of days, inshallah. Thank you for your time today. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.